We'll guide you through how to remove edges in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because removing edges is essential for creating clean, professional-looking images in photo editing. It helps when changing backgrounds, making thumbnails, or designing graphics. Many beginners struggle with rough selections, so they look for simple step-by-step guidance to improve their editing skills and achieve smoother, more realistic results. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer screen. Next, type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar and press Enter to find the application quickly. When the program appears in the search results, click Open to launch it. After Photoshop is fully open, click on File in the top menu, then select Open, and choose the image you want to edit from your files. Once the image loads into the workspace, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard so you have a backup copy to work with safely. Make sure the duplicated layer is selected in the Layers panel before continuing. Then, select the Quick Selection tool by clicking its icon in the toolbar or by pressing the W key on your keyboard. Carefully drag over the subject in your image to create a selection around it. After making the selection, click Select and Mask from the top menu to enter the Refinement workspace. In this panel, change the view mode to on black or overlay so you can clearly see the edges of your subject. Next, choose the Refine Edge Brush tool by clicking it or pressing R on your keyboard and gently brush around the edges to improve the selection. Continue by adjusting the Smooth, Feather, Contrast, and Shift Edge sliders to refine the edges further and achieve a cleaner result. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, go to the Output Settings section and choose Layer Mask, then click OK to apply the changes. After returning to the main workspace, select the Brush tool by clicking it or pressing B on your keyboard, and carefully clean up any remaining rough or unwanted edges on the mask. Take your time to ensure the edges look natural and smooth. Finally, click File, then choose Save As, select your preferred file format, and save your project to complete the process.